Powell turnaround, and the people are kind of stuck in there, like behind the string thing. So they're stuck like cattle, and they can't go anywhere until the trolley comes down the road. So there was this guy, and he had on a trench coat, very Billy Ray Wayne kind of a character. So he had dark hair, and he was kind of pretty greasy, and he was desperate for me to come to his apartment and listen to the song. And I'm like, there's no fucking way I'm gonna do it. So, but he came down the next day, and he's like, you really gotta hear this song. He goes, I could write the lyrics down, but it's not the same. And so the third day, I was still doing the busking at the Powell, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do this. So I went to the dude's apartment down in the Tenderloin or something, and he had this little room, a little bed-sit room, and he had a boombox with all these just cassettes, and he played this song, and he had written down the lyrics, and I was like, wow, that was good. And I didn't really realize how good until I had started playing it. And this is before it's now kind of popular, but I played this song for a long time, and many years. I got a lot of mileage out of it. And as I played the song more and more would reveal itself to me. And it's like a little movie. And it kind of reminds me of Quadrophenia in reverse. So it's for the rockers. And I used to make a joke. I used to say, you know, Lemmy, dedicated to Lemmy, who will be much more of a face than Sting will ever be.
Play some music, girl.
Who said that?
Play some music.
I'm telling a story.
Yes, it's okay. It's got something to say.
Put your sunglasses on.
Okay, so this will probably be the last one, and anyway. Such a good song. And no matter how poorly you play it, will always hold its merit. It won't sink.
Yes.
And said Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. Well, the girl could feel special on any such a lake. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. That's the Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you on the corners and cafes and scenes, red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled around behind and down to Box Hill made a ride. Said James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand, but I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. Well, I fought with the law since I was 17, and I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. I'm still 21 and I might not make 22, and I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Well, come down, Red Molly, called Sergeant McCrae. But they've taken young James in for armed robbery. A shotgun blast in his chest left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her
cry. I said I'll give you my Vincent tonight. I said, James, to Red Molly, there's nothing in this world that beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. No Nortons and Indians and Sunbeams and Harleys and Greaves just won't do. Oh, they ain't got the soul of a Vincent 52. He reached for her hand and he slipped through the keys. Said, I've no further use for these. I see angels on aerials and leather and in chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. Gave her one last kiss and died, and he gave her his Vincent